Hey guys, sup? Welcome back to another episode of Ryan Travis Production. So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to mod your Nerf Vigilante. So what you do is, when you buy the gun, it only comes with 5 ammo, but say you have another gun like the Nerf Praxis or the Nerf Proton Vortex Praxis. That comes with 10, so you have a little bit of extra ammo. So what you do is you take, I have 2 in there right now, 3, 4, 5. So you guys saw that, right? So now, what you do is, if you push, there's like this little blue orange thing that pops up. Press down on that thing. It's below my first disc that I put in. So what you do is you put an extra 6th disc in there. Okay, so you then load it in. By the way, this gun only holds 7. So then you put 6 in the cartridge. Boom! Pull it back in. It's already loaded. There you go. You have your 7 ammo. Annihilate all your friends with it. Be awesome. YOLO swag it. Go. Ba 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 ba. Reload. Bap. Reload. Bap bap bap. Thank you guys. Subscribe. Hope you like the modded video. It's nothing really major. Just adds 2 more ammo. I'll also be doing an extra video on the Nerf Praxis after I get some more ammo tomorrow, guys. So I'll be posting a video on that, okay? Thank you guys. Subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, I'm not going to be meeting with Travis. Watch the I'm Sick video. So subscribe. Hope you leave a like, comment, and goodbye. Thanks for watching this video.